Welcome to my channel. How do you change a motherboard? Let's begin. Make sure your processor is compatible with the new motherboard. Also, pay attention to the RAM type. DDR3, DDR4 and DDR5 won't cross-fit. Same goes for the GPU slot. Usually it's PCI X16, but make sure it's the right version. Also check the storage connectors, SATA versus NVMe or M2. And finally, check the power supply connectors. New boards may need a different 24-pin or 8-pin connector. Before proceeding, always back up your data. Changing the motherboard may require you to reinstall Windows. Sometimes it works, but drivers can cause instability. Now let's get to work. Shut down. Switch off the PSU, unplug the power cable and all peripherals. Open the case, remove the GPU RAM, storage drives and CPU cooler. If you're reusing your CPU, carefully remove it from the old socket. Next, unscrew the old motherboard from the standoffs and lift it out gently. Take the I/O shield from the case and place it on the new motherboard. Align the board with the standoffs and screw it down. Reinstall the CPU cooler. Apply fresh thermal paste, install the RAM, GPU and storage drives. Connect all the cables, 24-pin, 8-pin CPU, GPU, SATA, etc. Don't forget the front panel connectors, power switch, USB audio. Now power on. Enter the BIOS, usually by pressing Del or F2, and check if the CPU RAM and drives are detected. Update the BIOS if necessary. Reinstall or repair Windows. Sometimes Windows won't boot after a new motherboard. So, two options. Fresh install recommended for stability, or try to boot and let Windows auto-install drivers. Thank you for watching.